Good morning, children. Before starting the session, I want to appreciate you all because most of you have done your exams well. Don't stop it. Each and every day, go through here all the sessions, whatever you learned, you have to go through it. Today's session, you may notice in French, you can see certain letters which will be different while comparing to English alphabets and English pronunciation. And today we are going to learn les accents. Les accents, the accent. There are few accent which you are going to learn. I already told you the French doesn't have a proper structure. French language derived from Latin and Greek. It has the structure of Latin and also the Greek. It just adopt the English alphabets to make its pronunciation. So certain pronunciation sounds have different marks with the English alphabet. So it gives different sound and pronunciation. We are going to learn a few accents such as accent aigu, accent grave, accent circonflexe, cédille, tréma. Accent aigu. Accent aigu. It only used with the alphabet E. Above the alphabet E, we have a mark which is right side to left side mark. Whenever this accent, whenever this word is noticed, you have to pronounce A accent aigu. We will tell it as A accent aigu. Here above the A we have accent aigu. It pronounced as A. École, élève, étudiant. So you can identify A sound in this letters, in this words. And next one it is accent grave. Accent grave is used among three alphabets A, U, E. A, U, E. A accent grave, U accent grave, E accent grave. A accent grave pronounced A. A accent grave is pronounced as A, but different meaning in different situation. For example, the meaning of A here it is in, at, to, in the place, at the place, to the place. Before a place we will use this A. It is a preposition. U accent grave. U accent grave is used in a word U. U has different meaning with same letter. U without accent grave it is or meaning, and U with accent grave it is where meaning. Who same spelling but different same pronunciation, different meaning which is used in different situation. A accent grave, its sounds and its pronunciation is A. A. The pronunciation of A accent grave it is A. Fair, pair, mare, A sound will be there. Fair, sir, mare, pair. So these are the three letters which is used for accent grave. And next one it is accent circonflexe. Accent circonflexe, you can notice the accent, the symbol which is like cap. So it has another meaning, that is chapeau. Accent circumflex, otherwise they will tell it as chapeau. It is used for all the vowels. You don't have different pronunciation, but in ancient French we will have before or after this vowels S. Ancient French we have S after or before these words. In New French they have omitted that S, so it is accent circumflex. They used on these alphabets A, E, O, U, E. Mostly it comes for all the vowels. The pronunciation will be same A, E, O, U, E. But it denotes that there is the letter S is missed. For example, hôpital, say cédille. Next one it is say cédille. It is only comes for say alphabet. Say cédille which gives the sound sa, sa, si, so, su. Because it has two pronunciation. One is ka pronunciation, another one it is sa pronunciation. So if sa cédille comes, it pronounces as sa, so, su. It comes for three vowels before the three vowels, which is A, O, U. It won't comes for other vowels. Only for these three vowels it will be there. For example, Sava. Say A, it is Sava. If it is say cédille, it pronounced as Sava. Without say cédille, it is Ka. Without say cédille, say A, it will be Ka. With say cédille, it has Sa pronunciation. With O, it is So. With U, it is Su. Sa, So, Su. Next one, Trema. Trema is used for three alphabets A, E, U. Whenever trema which comes in above the letter A, E, U, we should separately sound those vowels. Because we have different pronunciation for certain vowels and sound, where there are many sounds in French which combination of two vowels together. When we want to separate the vowel and pronounce, this trema will be above the vowel A, E, U. On that time, we have to pronounce that particular vowel separately from other vowel. So, it is used. For example, Noel, O, together we have a different pronunciation, that is A pronunciation. So, it is not the pronunciation of A here. So, we have to separate No separately, Earl separately. So, it is Noel. Above her we have trema. So, it denotes that we have to separate the vowel and you have to pronounce. If there is no trema, it gives different pronunciation. So, we will use trema here. So, from the first, accent aigu, accent grave, accent circumflex, say cédille, trema. Accent aigu and accent grave, we have to differentiate. Accent aigu, it is right to left. Accent grave, it is left to right. Another way you can see this picture, you can notice. One is like a flight, how the flight will take off, it is like that. So, though that position it is called accent aigu. Another one it is like the arrow which comes down from the top to bottom. It is like the arrow which comes from top to bottom. It is called accent grave. Accent circumflex. Accent circumflex, it is like a cap. How we wear cap, the shape of that arrow, it is like chapeau. Chapeau means cap. It is like a cap.